Hello guys, in this video let us discuss about the expression for mutual inductance of two coaxial solenoids. Here mutual induction means when two solenoids are placed very closer to each other, and let us make a current I1 to flow in first solenoid, I2 in second solenoid. Now the magnetic flux or magnetic field is produced due to current I1 will be linked with the second coil which is closer to it, and magnetic flux produced due to current I2 of the second coil will be linked with the first coil which is very closer to each other. This we call it as mutual inductance. So here we are considering two solenoids S1 and S2 as shown in the diagram. Now S2 is completely or S2 completely surrounds S1. Let us assume length as L, area of cross section as A of these solenoids. So number of turns for first solenoid S1 be N1 and number of turns of second solenoid be N2, right? Now let us write number of turns per unit length, that is N1 by L. Let us assume this with as a small letter N, N1 equal to N1 by L. Similarly, number of turns per unit length of solenoid S2. Let us assume it with a small letter N2, that is equal to N2 by L. Now, magnetic flux inside the solenoid, the formula will be B equal to mu naught Ni. But solenoid 1 we said no. So, B1 equal to mu naught N1 I1 is the current flowing in solenoid 1. Right? Now, in place of N1, we are substituting N1 by L. So, mu naught N1 by L into I1. Now, the magnetic flux linked with each turn of solenoid. How we will write? So, the current I1 flowing in the coil 1 or solenoid 1 produces magnetic field. And that magnetic flux is linked by the nearby second coil we said. So, how we will write this magnetic flux linked with the solenoid S2 as B1A? Why we wrote B1A instead of B2A? Why we wrote B1A means here the first coil's magnetic field is linked with the second coil. So, only we wrote B1A. And what is B1 in above equation? Mu naught N1 by L I1 into A. A as usual you write. Next, total magnetic flux we want. How we will write? If N2 is the number of turns of second solenoid, then we will write N2 B1A. So, substitute B1. Okay. Now, B1A we substituted. So, we will get mu naught N1 by L I1A into N2. Now, pi 2 becomes, in a systematic manner, we are writing mu naught N1 N2 I1A by L. But what is the formula for mutual inductance? M12 I1, pi 2 equal to. So now in place of pi 2, you substitute M12 I1. So I1 cancels and M12 will be equal to mu naught N1 N2 A by L. Similarly, we can also derive M21, which is equal to M12, that is equal to M equal to mu naught N1 N2 A by L. Okay. So now you multiply L in numerator and denominator, it becomes mu naught N1 N2 AL by L square, that is equal to N1 by L is nothing but N1, N2 by L is nothing but small letter N2. So answer becomes mu naught N1 N2 AL is the required answer.